Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 8 minutes. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And if you have any queries or questions, you can just ask me in the comments below. So let's begin. First of all, open the blank slide and then insert the shape, and you have to make it really large, and you have to put this part out of the template, and then you have to go to insert tab and insert this small shape. And then you're gonna put it right here, duplicate it and decrease its size and put it right next to the previous shape. And then you're gonna duplicate it again and decrease its size. Similarly, duplicate them again and put them right here like this. The shortcut key for duplicating is Control plus D, and you're gonna duplicate it again and put them each of the shapes in the same manner. The outline of each of the shapes and select all of them and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G and insert a picture in this shapes, and that image have to be a high resolution image. So right now I'm gonna use this image, but let's just insert this image from the insert tab, and then we're gonna rotate it if we want, and then cut it, and then we're gonna clipboard it into the shape. So this is how you do it. And the next step that you have to do is adjust the size and insert your text.